Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to tell how to give the demo for the topic polynomials. Whatever the topic, we have to give self introduction after entering into the class. After self introduction, announce the topic what you are going to explain in the class. So it is a polynomial. Write the name on the polynomials on the board. Then ask some questions to know the previous knowledge about the students, what they have learned in the previous class. Ask some questions about the topic algebraic expressions and what they know about the algebra. After that, you have to introduce the topic and tell them you have already learned about addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc., about the rational numbers in the previous classes. This is the 9th class demo. So they have learned about the rational numbers and their operations in 8th grade. Then you have to tell that what they are going to learn in this chapter, in this class. So what is polynomial and a remainder theorem, factor theorem, and what is the use of these theorems, and and also factorization of the polynomials. In addition to, we shall study the more algebraic identities. So like this you have to interact with them. First interact with them and announce these topics which they are going to learn in this chapter. Then you can go with the topic polynomials in one variable. Then next you can start the class explanation with polynomial in one variable. Before the polynomial in one variable, you have to explain the term, coefficient. These are the basics in algebraic expressions. So explain what is a term, what is a coefficient, then what is the expression, algebraic expression. Then after that you have to tell what is polynomial. Without explaining about what is a polynomial, don't go to the zero polynomial. Here I did not write ఇక్కడ నేను రాయలేదు, బట్ టర్మ్, కోఎఫిషియంట్, ఆల్జబ్రాయిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ తర్వాత మనం తప్పకుండా పాలినామియల్, వాట్ ఈజ్ పాలినామియల్ అనేది ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసిన తర్వాతే వాట్ ఈజ్ జీరో పాలినామియల్ అండ్ వాట్ ఈజ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ పాలినామియల్ అనేవి ఒక్కొక్క టాపిక్కి 1 or 2 ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ తీసుకొని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలి. డిఫరెంట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ తీసుకొని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలి ఇలా. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ పాలినామియల్స్, ఆ తర్వాత టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ పాలినామియల్స్, దెన్ డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ ద పాలినామియల్. ఇవన్నీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసేసరికి క్లాస్ విల్ టేక్ అప్రాక్సిమేట్ 20-25 minutes. If you have much time, then you can go with the types of polynomials based on degree based how many types of polynomials are there. Then write each type of polynomial, for example, on the board. And if you have the time, then you can go with the nth degree polynomial. Write nth degree polynomial on the board and what is a and what is n, tell them like this. After that, zeros of the polynomial. So explain briefly what is zeros of the polynomial and zeros of the polynomial. Then give one example. Take the ax plus b equal to 0, x equal to minus b by a is the zero of this linear polynomial, like this. Then in factorization, briefly explain. After that, explain briefly factorization of the polynomials. So factorization of the polynomial, before that, once define the factor theorem. Factor theorem. After that, if you have time, then explain the proof. factor theorem, remainder theorem proof is there, and factor theorem proof also is there. Any one of them you can explain. If you have time, then you can go with the factorization by splitting middle term. Okay, this is all these subtopics you must explain in the class. It takes 40 minutes, 50 minutes time. So if you follow these if you explain like this, then your demo will be good. Thank you.